Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I am doing a boxycharm versus Ipsy and Boxy, and I forgot this is for my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so that's why I'm comparing it to the boxycharm box. I figure they're more comparable, 5 items and similar price point overall. You know, the very first item we got is this Laura Sanchez Mood palette. It's actually very cute and colorful. I like the vibe of it. Right now, this has that total fortune teller vibe, which is very cute. You open her up, has a nice generous mirror, and I believe it has a brightener and a highlight and these nice looking colors. The next item I got, Lovecraft Beauty blush palette. This one's actually really cute looking. Squeeze. Anyways, this is very cute. It feels very nice. You open it up and ta-da! Colors are very pretty in my opinion. I'm definitely excited for this. I like the mirror, it's very cool. The next item I got was the Benefit Cosmetics highbrow like highbrow pencil. Basically you would use it right on the line to give you more of a brightening, cleaning up your brows. And this is how she looks. I personally like it. I like using these little pencils right on the highbrow. This is very creamy. It just glides. Next item I got, I've never heard of this company. It's called Gold Faden MD. This is a it's called Bright Eyes. It's actually meant for your under eye area to help with your dark circles, puffiness, and things like that. And it's supposed to be oil free, which is cool. They have steam. I wonder if this helps my problem tired eye. As you can tell, my wonky eye, that'd be interesting. Inside the container, it looks, oh, I wonder if it's like a serum. Okay, so this is a serum. I was thinking it was a patch. So this is actually a serum that you apply. I'm definitely going to be trying this out. I've been looking for a new serum to use in my under eye area. The last one I purchased, I turned out to be allergic. Next thing I got is from Paris Hilton. It's called a Pro DNA Face Cleanser. I don't know. I guess I don't know, I've seen some people comment online on Facebook and things that, you know, that got their box before me, that it worked well, it cleansed and whatever. I have very sensitive skin. I'm very skeptical. So maybe I'll give it a try. I'm not sure. I'm still, again, now to boxycharm. So far, because I already opened it, of course, to make sure it's all laid out so I'm not fumbling and, you know, dropping shit everywhere. So one of the main items was, of course, the Pure Festival Festival palette. I've been seeing people posting videos and pictures of them using the palette, and the colors look so pretty. I was beyond impressed by seeing the pigmentation on people that I just knew I had to keep this one. I'm very picky when it comes to palettes, so yeah. I did not like the last Pure palette we got, so I'm excited for this one. If you look right here, again, it has a nice generous mirror. And look at these colors. These look so beautiful. So definitely a beautiful palette. I'm excited, and I will be making a tutorial using this palette but in a more neutral look. I did get quite a few requests from I did get quite a few requests in my Instagram on how can I do a natural look or more neutral look using the festival palettes. Anyways, to go with our palette, we also got these cute Luxie brushes. I love the color of the brushes, like the handles. So here are my 3 brushes. I love crease brushes. I'm always using them for multiple things, you know, to packing glitters, cutting your eyeline, you know, cutting the crease. Yeah, they feel very nice, very great quality. So I'm excited to use these. The next item I got, which of course everyone else did too, I got the Artist Couture. I got Artist Couture in Purple Dream. You can kind of see it inside the container. This one actually has a shifting pigment. Now, I've seen so many people asking how to open this bad boy, and I hear it's kind of difficult, so I'm afraid to open it. So give me a second and do it off camera. Alright, I think I figured it out. For me, I turned it kind of backwards where I was able, kind of hard to see, I was able to see the little corner of the tape. I barely left enough space so I can actually pick at it. So wish me luck. So I picked at it, and now I'm slowly pulling it, which it probably would have been better if I had tweezers. But anyways, so again, I'm just slowly picking at it and pulling, which this is very tedious. I hate doing this. I'm afraid it's gonna fall all over the place. Oh my lord. I got it. Yay, I'm successful. So, there she is. It's a cute little glitter. Let's see. I already have pretty much glitter for days. So it's really pretty. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Okay. Anyways, before I show you the swatch, love it. Once you're done, you can actually flip it, the little container, slowly turn it, and voila. You don't have to worry about dropping things everywhere, which is good. But look at this freaking highlight. Oh my gosh, this shifts so freaking pretty. You can totally see like a pink, a purple iridescence in there. I really like it. So my last 2 items were the variation items for the boxes. The 3 first items I showed you were the items that came in everyone's box pretty much. So no big deal, everyone got them, whoopie-doo. The only difference was which highlighter we got. But for my first variant was this Appeal gloss. I've actually been curious about it. I'm only starting to get into gloss and liking it, so you know, it doesn't seem bad. It does look really pretty. Has like all this holographic You can see different little tones, which is really cute. And then my last item I got, which I'm pretty excited to try because it's different. Let's put it that way. It's something different. I was actually given the Cella. It's called Cella I can't pronounce this word. Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. So this is actually eyebrow cream, but like for on the go. When I opened it, I was tripping. I thought it was like an eyeliner because I got an eyeliner. So on the bottom end, I pulled that off. I twisted it. Sorry, not pulled. I twisted it off, and it has your brow dip actually, and I believe it's considered like it's a cream. So it's a cream brow dip at the bottom, and then on the top you have your on-the-go brush. As you can tell, glitter's falling everywhere. So all you gotta do is, you know, ooh, and I'm back. Sorry guys, I'm falling apart everywhere. So all you have to do is get your little brush and you just go like this, and you just dip it, and then you can do your brows. Now I overdid it, so it's not like, and I already did mine, so anyways, but it's very nice. It's very creamy. It doesn't feel drying, at least. This is supposed to be in the color Taupe also, by the way, which even for me, touching out the top, it looks pretty close to what I have naturally. I use dark brown, so that's a pretty decent match, you guys. I'll definitely be making a video where I use all my boxycharm items and whatever items I also like from my Ipsy bag. But at the end of the day, what do you think of my 2 boxes that I got? Do you guys love them? Do you hate them? Again, as a reminder, the ipsyglambagplus is $25 a month, and boxycharm is $21 a month. Alrighty, so I had to refilm this like 4 times, but I don't want to be sounding so upset and negative. At the end of the day, I like my boxycharm. I like the 5 items I got. I'm excited to use them. I will be making a follow-up video where I will use all the items that I did like for this month. And I'll be posting it, and you can see the final look, and hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, so thank you guys very much. But yeah, I hope to see you guys again. I will be posting my tutorial for the Pure palette in a few days, hopefully by Sunday, Sunday, I forgot it's a holiday. So by Monday I'll post my video, my tutorial, and yeah, I do recommend you guys going to check out my Instagram. I have an awesome giveaway going on, so subscribe, please follow, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.